how to edit and change payment methods on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit it and change it. First open your browser and then click settings, and now go to store profile. Go to payments, and here we'll find payment methods settings. Now just select any coin you want here, and then that's it. Now just manage it here. You can manage offline payment methods and online payment methods, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.